Hello everybody, Mgariman here, and today I'm going to show you how to create high converting landing pages using Clickfunnels. Landing pages are the simplest form of your website. If you are selling books and you have one book that you have a discount on, you don't want people to go around the website looking for that one book. You want to create a landing page for that one book that has a discount. Let me show you what I mean by Clickfunnels, and let me show you what I mean by landing pages. Just put in Clickfunnels. We're going to use Clickfunnels for this one. Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels. This is how Clickfunnels looks like. When you open it up for the first time, there's this big button here for start a free trial, but you can scroll through and look at some of the information about what is Clickfunnels. You can see how you can use Clickfunnels to generate leads, to sell your products, to send follow-up funnels, follow-up emails. And you can also notice there's an integration of all these social medias. You can go through and read all this. There's even a demo here done by Russell Brunson, the man himself behind the ClickFunnels thing and the funnel hackers. All this cool stuff here, all those people who have used ClickFunnels and they are sharing their success. You can. Anyways, from I'm just going to click this big button here, which is start your free trial. It's also up here if you press the home button. It's the first one at the top, so I'm going to close this one. I don't need it anymore. Let me just put in my details, my name, and click start building my first funnel. Alright, now here you can read through some of these plans, like how many users you'll be able to add to your team, how many pages you are building. Here you have unlimited funnels for the platinum. If you upgrade, you have unlimited funnels, you have unlimited pages, you have more domains, more users to add to your account. You have more payment methods, chat and email support. You have access to the Funnel Hacker Forum, where you can learn more about how you can use ClickFunnels to sell your products. But first, we are going to go with the ClickFunnels trial. Okay, click select plan, and then you can enter your details. You might need to put in your card, but that's not a big issue. That's because you're not going to be charged anything until the trial period ends. If you want to add a training to your sign up, you can take this one, but I don't want the training. Just going to hustle. I'm going to hustle through. I'm going to try to learn this by myself because the training will cost you $48 if you read this. If you don't read and just stick, you are doing a big mistake. It's 14 days free from today. Just stick from here, and then you can cancel any time. You can cancel any time before the trial is over, because when the trial is over, they automatically deduct this amount from your card, the one you have put in up here. So I'm just going to click process my payment and the information. All right, some promotion here about the one funnel away challenge. You can read through if you want. I'm just going to click this button down here. No thanks, I don't want to join the one funnel away challenge. Okay, I just click that. Alright, hey, you like a free t-shirt? If you like a free t-shirt, you can just watch this video until the end. You'll get the details on how you're going to get the t-shirt, and then they'll get a page where you put in your details and they'll ship your free t-shirt. But for me, I don't want a free t-shirt. Thank you so much, ClickFunnels, for the funnel hacker t-shirt, but I'm going to click no thanks. I would rather get started on my own. But you can watch these videos, they're very nice. They tell you about how to use ClickFunnels. Alright, Now here on the dashboard, I'm just going to click next. I'm going to put in my company name and click submit. There's a lot of things going on here, but the most important button is Clickfunnels here. If you come to Clickfunnels, you can always click create funnels. You can add contacts. You can come to Clickfunnels and go to build funnel. Same button you can find here, build a funnel. Here is where you build a follow-up email. You can also start broadcasts. You're just going to use this button here, build a funnel. Just going to click build a funnel. And then if you scroll down here, you have all these templates which you can start from. Types of funnels: you have the bridge funnels, you have the survey funnels, application funnels, membership funnels. So let's look for a funnel. I think we are going to use what we call a video sales later. Let's just click select funnel and we'll look at it. But if you want, you can also go through these other funnels down here. And right here you have a video of Russell Brunson talking about the video sales later and how you can use it. You have templates. All these ones are templates, but some of them are premium designs. You cannot use them with our free trial. So for us, we are going to just click free. And also up here there is a funnel map which you can look at to help you learn more about the video sales later funnel. If I click to zoom in. So when you talk about a funnel, this is what it means. For example, you have your first page, the page which has your product or service that you advertised, or the page that you want to send people to, your landing page. Let's call it the landing page. Okay, so the landing page is where you have most of the information about your product, like let's say the hero product. But then you also have this other page here, just in case they don't buy this item here. If they happen to buy this product, and then you have options here for selling them other products. And if they don't buy this product, you can also maybe give them another product which you think they might be interested in. So from there, you can include another product if you would like to. But then if they buy this product, that's when they come to this sign out page, this checkout page. So that's like the funnel. You have taken them through the funnel just before you sent them to the final page, which is the checkout page here. Okay, you have your hero product, and then you have another product to sell them. If they don't buy that product, you can offer them another one. You can just offer them a discount. You can even use it as a discount. If they buy this one, you can give them a discount on another product. If they don't buy the product, you can give them another discount or another offer. So that's the interesting part about the funnels. And if you scroll down here, you have another cool thing, which is the automation. This is like automated emails that will be sent to people who sign up here or who purchase your product. So you can send them like a thank you email. Okay, just follow up, or you can put them in another follow-up funnel where you can send them more information about a different product that you have, and then you can get them to buy the product. Okay, so some cool stuff here in Clickfunnels, very interesting. So here we have our page. It has loaded, and this is how it looks like. Remember the map we just looked at here. Now this is the first page, the video sales later page that has your hero product, and then you have the next page here to offer them an upsell. We call it an upsell if they have bought the product, and then you have a downsell if they don't buy this one. Okay, so this is the downsell here. And then lastly, we have this offer wall, which is like the checkout, but then you also have more offers. Okay, very interesting, right? So that's the offer wall page. Anyways, let's just click this scroll back up here and use this button here, get funnel. All right. So we created our first funnel and we got a new badge. Thank you, Clickfunnels. Cool. Now this is where the cool stuff happens. This is where the beautiful stuff happens. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Automations which we have talked about. But we should look at this one here. Look at on your left. This the launch list. You should look at the launch list of our video sales letter VSL. So the big button to click is this one. Click edit page. Alright. Now this is the page. You can already see the controls. All the controls you can use to edit this template. Your logo, if you bring your mouse, you have this option to move, you have these settings, you have this clone, you have the delete. But the settings is the coolest button to click. So if I click settings, notice how I have all these settings, how to change out things like the image, the width, the height, can include the link to that item. I can click themes to look for a nice theme for my image. Under settings is where you can also check out your mobile, see how it's going to look on mobile. Okay, I'm not going to change out any logos. The only thing I'm going to do is add a video. If you don't want to use the settings button, you can just click on the item that you want to edit. Okay, so I'm going to go to my YouTube and pick the video. If you have a YouTube video, you choose YouTube from the drop down. You have other things like the Vimeo. So I paste your URL here. If you want, you can choose autoplay on this video. If you want, you can switch off the controls. Just going to leave it simple for now. So there we have our video. Let's come back to part 2 of this video where we are going to build up this funnel. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now if you want to learn more about the cool things in Clickfunnels, you should check out the part 2 of this video where I'm going to show you more cool stuff in Clickfunnels, and I'm also going to show you how to build a funnel, and you're going to launch it. I'm going to show you how to launch it, how to connect the domain name and all those things. Otherwise, just go on and sign up for your free trial, and we'll meet you there.